Commissioning. With Festo, that's done really quickly. Decentralized automation concepts enable you to commission each unit step by step. Faults which bring a whole installation to a standstill are a thing of the past. Decentralized installation also means decentralized diagnostics. What that means is that each unit is controlled directly in the field and is commissioned independently. The automation platform CPX MPA shows all process statuses, channel by channel. To ensure that you can keep an eye on everything, the status information is visualized at various levels. On the LEDs on site, with the handheld terminal CPX MMI, with diagnostic software on a laptop, with a controller CPX CEC on site, or by remote diagnostics with the CPX Web Monitor. And what goes for commissioning goes, of course, also for operation. Here, too, you always have all diagnostic data in view everywhere. To sum up, easier and faster localization of faults speeds up commissioning enormously and improves system availability in continuous operation. But the best thing is that these benefits are transferable to all key processes in water technology, such as ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, fixed bed filtration, digestion towers, and primary clarifiers. Festo, your partner for automation in water technology.